So let's imagine a future around local material supply networks, local nutrient flows, and what that means for people. Well, you can look at the context of Chile, the coast, the long coastline of Chile, where you actually have an abundance of algae, different types of seaweed that currently are baled up and exported as a primary resource. And the value of that resource is incredibly low. So communities who are actually harvesting are paid extremely little. And what if that material could actually be added value could be created locally? So you could actually create bioplastics from that seaweed. The biopolymer could be harvested, and then you could create packaging for local markets from bioplastics. And then after that life cycle, it could be replenished into those local ecosystems. By adding that kind of value, you create not only jobs, but income and actual economic development routes for local economies. And the feedback is appropriate to that ecosystem in terms of making sure the incentives for replenishing and making sure those natural resources are actually managed appropriately and governed appropriately. That's also put in place.